Hi guys, it's Shannon from the Catholic Library Holiday Branch. Today I'm going to be doing squishy soap. I got this idea from mamapapabubba.com. The ingredients that you're going to need are cornstarch, some liquid soap, some olive oil. If you have vegetable oil or baby oil, that works too. And some food coloring. I chose to do red to make my squishy soap red. You're also going to need a 1/2 cup measuring cup, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, and a hand towel because this gets kind of messy. All right, so we're gonna take a 1/2 cup of the cornstarch and put it in. We are going to do 3 tablespoons of the liquid soap. And these measurements they're not exact, it just depends on what brand name you're using. So if it's too sticky, you can put some more cornstarch in, and if it's too dry, you can put some more soap or the oil in. So we're gonna mix this up. Then we're going to put 3 to 4 teaspoons of the oil in. I'm going to start off using 3, and then if it's still too dry, I'll put another one in. So you want it to be a little bit clumpy, not sticky. And I'm gonna put just a little bit more oil in. Okay, and then once it's kind of, it's in there and it's kind of clumpy, so it looks kind of like this. It's like it's clumpy down there at the bottom. We're going to put some food coloring in, just a few drops. You don't need a lot. And then we're going to take it out and just kind of knead it with our hands. You can knead it until it just has like that marble effect. Or if you just keep doing it, it'll turn all the way red eventually. All right. There's our squishy soap. So you want to store this in an airtight container. When you're ready to use it, you're just gonna get your hands wet. You're just gonna take, you could either take the whole thing and use it, or you could just take a little piece off, put it in your hand, wash your hands for 20 seconds, and then rinse them off. Just makes for a fun way to wash your hands. Thanks for joining me, you guys. See you later.